Welcome to Fashion Falcon. Let's begin with hand embroidery. First running stitch. Cut a strip of cloth and roll it over the inner surface of the frame to prevent the cloth from damage. Sew the sides of the cloth. Draw 6-inch long line with the help of pencil and scale. Place the inner surface of the frame, place the cloth on it and fix the frame and tight the screw. Pull the extra cloth from the sides. When you tap on this, you can feel the stiffness. Take 3 strands of anchor thread to the desired length. Tie a knot at the end of the thread by leaving the other side of the thread. This is the wrong side of the frame. Pierce the needle from wrong side to the right side. Bring the needle up by leaving a desired or very short distance and repeat the stitch again and again. This method is for the beginners. This method will take long time when you are applying this on a design. In the next method, drag the needle to a short distance by piercing down and up and then pull the thread and repeat the same. By following this method, you can complete hand embroidery very fast. At the end of the stitch, pierce the needle down and retie the knot by pulling the thread in the last loop. Cut the extra thread with the help of scissors. I have done a teddy bear embroidery using the running stitch. Have a look. Now we are going to learn stem stitch. Usually we proceed towards forward direction, but in stem stitch you have to start by leaving a 1/4 inch distance and proceed towards backward direction and then take forward leap. Secondly, pierce the needle to half distance of the first stitch and repeat the same. Look at the second method. By this you can complete hand embroidery with the help of stem stitch very fast. Tie the knot in the same way. I have done an embroidery of your frog. Have a look. Now we are going to stitch square shaped bead using the stem stitch. Using stem stitch, you can stitch different types of beads, chamkis, chakri, sari falls. Try all the types. The method is all the same. If you want to sew beads, insert the bead in the needle and follow the same method of the stem stitch. Now I am stitching chakri using the same method. If you want, you can also stick diamond stone to the chakri to give extra color. I have done the same thing using white beads also. That's all for today. See you in the next video with other outline stitches. Till then, bye bye.